Welcome back guys, another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining or giving you tips about 3 ways you can make money on the internet, putting aside forex trading. We know this channel, we created it specifically to show you how to make money through trading forex, but in today's video we're going to be explaining more about how you can make money putting aside or not focusing on only forex trading as your income stream. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I think this is the right time. You must hit that like button and subscribe because a lot of content is still coming. So we'd like you to be the first person in order to reflect or receive that alert of a new video which is being uploaded. Now, without wasting time, I have here my bullets which I try to spot out and I explain to you. Now, first we have what we call affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is anything relating to affiliate marketing. It's like you becoming a broker or you becoming someone marketing other people's products in order to get some money. Now, I myself, I tried so many things in order to make money online. I used I tried to be an agent of Amazon, Alibaba, all that stuff in order to make a little bit commission on whatever product I'm trying to market. And if you get buyers or if you get someone to buy these products, that's when you get a little bit commission on whatever product you're going to sell off. But I found it hard time on my side because I could not get clients specifically in my country for those who would actually take these products from me. So now I decided, why as a trader, what can I do like an affiliate marketer? So that's when I got a chance to make a partnership with my reliable forex broker, which we already recommend you to use, which is called XNest. So XNest, I made a partnership with XNest. So when you make a partnership with a forex broker, we have what we call a referral link. Now, a referral link helps you to invite other clients or members or people to come and register up with that recommended broker you're marketing, so that whenever they open an account and that account gets verified, after them finding that account and they start trading, you'll find that you are going to make some little bit commission whenever they place trades. So that's what I did. Now I'm marketing XNest all over the world, Africa and whole Europe, like whole world. Why? I'm marketing XNest using my referral link through all social media platforms. For those who are trying to follow us, even the link will be down in the description. For you who would like to register with XNest, the link will be down in the description. So we recommend you to use the best forex broker, but in return, I myself, the affiliate marketer who is marketing this specific broker, there is a commission he gives me on the clients I referred to. So that is one way you can make money on the internet. Another thing on my second bullet is making investments. Now, a lot of people, they undermine making investments, but if you make investments, you will find a way of making a lot of money on the internet. Why? We recommend people to make investments in things or industries like cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrencies, these are digital assets whereby they are created through a blockchain technology. Specifically, they increase in value, so they appreciate and depreciate in value. Now, cryptocurrencies, they are sort of like assets whereby you buy a cryptocurrency on $100, you hold it for a long time, and you find that cryptocurrency in a difference of 1 year, it has raised to like $200. So that means if you bought like 100 coins and every coin is worth $100 and you sell off them on $200, that means every coin you have bought has already made you $100. So you investing in cryptocurrency is also another opportunity to make money on the internet. So a lot of people, they undermine investing in cryptocurrencies because of ABCD. Some of them, they say cryptocurrencies is a scam. Some of them, they say cryptocurrencies is not real money. Like, people have different opinions, but what I can try to explain to you is making money in the internet. Most of the things you must focus on is investing in cryptocurrencies. So now, we as executives, you came out and made for you like we made work easy for you guys. Why am I saying like this? If you'd like to invest and trade cryptocurrencies, hit the link in the description and sign up with our reliable crypto brokers and start trading cryptocurrencies. Why? We offer you the best crypto brokers like Binance. You'll be trading over 400 cryptocurrencies plus investing in them. So that is one way you can make money on the internet. Another thing is investing in stocks. Now, if you invest in stocks, a lot of people like the opening of this year and last year, they made a lot of money in the stocks of Tesla. Why? Tesla was one of the richest companies which are making automatic cars. So when these cars they are being made by Tesla, you'll find they are making a lot of profits. Why? These cars are electronic. They are being driven by itself. Now you find people got a lot of interest investing in this company of Tesla. Now you buying these stocks of Tesla, you'll find most people, let me say you have bought one stock of Tesla at $1, you'll find it has raised up to $100 per stock. Now you'll find you have over like 100,000 stocks. So that is a lot of money. Now you investing in stocks, you can also earn a lot of profits. The last point I'm trying to explain is selling physical things or products like Amazon stuff, like what I mentioned before. If you'd like to make money on the internet, one of the things you must be focusing on is selling other people's products. So you can come up with a little bit website. You can create on your website. You can create a social media handle, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Now let me give you a little bit example. Let me say the company of Nike has given you a deal or a chance of selling off their shoes. Now you'll find the company of Nike, they are selling each shoe or each pair of shoes on $30. So when you upload that specific picture of that pair of shoes of Nike, you can put it on, let me say $45. So that means you're earning $10 per pair of Nike shoes. Now you doing that process of selling off other people's products, you'll find there's some little bit commission you can make through selling off other people's products. Why are we recommending you to do all this? I myself am making over a 5-figure income per day through affiliate marketing. What must you do? Get partnership with, it can be a forex broker, it can be a crypto broker. Get any other opportunity whereby you can make partnership with someone. They create for you a referral link. Use that link to market this person and create your community. Now you creating your community, it will help you to earn a lot of money even if you are not even trading the forex market. Why? The purpose of this video would like you to expand your mindset and you do not only focus on trading forex, because you know forex, you can win this week, you can lose next week, you can win this month, you can lose next month. So the purpose of this video, we have been trying to bring ideas on how you can make money on the internet other than trading only forex market. So for those who have made it to the end of this video, we recommend you to do subscribe and like, plus hitting all the links in the description. Follow us on our social media handles and also sign up with our reliable forex broker, which is XNS, and start your trading journey.